Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on replacing the battery in your Surface Pro 5. Today, we will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each step. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a T3 Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. Additionally, having a clean workspace will help you keep everything organized. To begin, power off your Surface Pro 5 completely. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Next, using the T3 Torx screwdriver, remove the 2 screws located on the back cover. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them to reassemble your device later. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the suction cup to lift the back cover. If you find it difficult to lift, gently use the plastic spudger to pry it open. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging any internal components. Now that the back cover is off, you will see the battery and several connectors. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the device. A can of compressed air works wonders for this task. Next, disconnect the battery connector by carefully lifting it from the motherboard. Again, use the plastic spudger if needed to avoid any damage. It's essential to handle the connectors with care to prevent breaking them. Now, we can remove the old battery. It may be secured with adhesive, so gently pry it away using the spudger. If you encounter resistance, don't force it. Instead, try to loosen the adhesive with a bit of heat from a hairdryer, but be cautious not to overheat any components. Once the old battery is removed, it's time to install the new one. Place the new battery in the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it is seated firmly. Before reassembling, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your Surface Pro 5 to see if it starts up properly. If it does, you can proceed to put everything back together. Carefully align the back cover with the device and press it down to secure it. Replace the 2 screws you removed earlier to hold the cover in place. If you feel unsure about any step or lack the tools, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Plus, our pickup and delivery service means you can have your device repaired without any calls or travel. And don't worry, we'll provide a quote before any repair is done, ensuring you're fully informed. Now that your Surface Pro 5 is reassembled, give it a final wipe down to keep it looking new. Power it on and enjoy your device with a fresh battery. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Surface Pro 5. Thank you for following along, and don't hesitate to reach out for assistance if needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.